On the occasion of the 75th Independence Day of Pakistan, a car rally was held in Paris on 14th August 2022, in which hundreds of Pakistani families participated. The participants of the rally decorated their vehicles with Pakistani flags and banners depicting the message of Independence Day. Da'ffaires Amjad Aziz Qazi congratulated the participants and the organizers of the rally. Amjad Aziz Qazi maintained that the whole world would get the message that Pakistanis were a peaceful, loving and lively nation. Organizers, while speaking on the occasion, thanked the participants of the rally.
शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं कि उन्होंने पाकिस्तान से अपनी मोहब्बत का एक अदना बो दिया है। मैं दिल की गहराइयों से शुक्रगुजार हूं।
A cake cutting ceremony was also held as Amjad Aziz Kazi, along with the participants of the rally, cut the cake. The endroit reverberated with the slogans Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Painbad and Pak Army Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad! Pakistan Zindabad! Pakistan Zindabad!